Welcome to more Zion Music on this beautiful Sunday. I think about 9. Yeah, I khona manje abaphuma manje aphiperela. Perela ke sontoen. Just hopefully nalo Wi-Fi thing na. Anyway, what's up, bro? And we are here. We are back with another one. But fair to thank you guys for your guys' support, man. I do appreciate it. It's been crazy. it's been a crazy month. You know, videos are doing well, like exceptionally well, and I appreciate you guys commenting every now and then. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. Ngiyabonga bafethu. So today we are reacting to the Zion City Ministry Sinomhlobo. I hope I'm saying it right. Inkonzo July 2024 Bishop Xaba. So that wasting you guys time. Was that right into it?
Sinomhlobo ke Jesu ke
Let me tell you something. You see, I don't like this type of songs. I'm not supposed to do I can style. I can't just be singing. Hey, I forgot the name. Yeah, only one lives as Baba's Bamba. I couldn't forget more. I saw. Oh my God. You stand against the wall and then you're like, call it out, I move. Yeah. Not. But anyway, let's start to this. If I spot all your sister, yeah. Remember there was a video I said, there are people who have naturally loud voices. Like their voice are just naturally loud. She's one of those ladies. The shy first part because I didn't bondile kune Becca. That's my first part. The Becca's job is just to make the song nice, and then the first part obviously that's the first part. Did you see? She's not even like really opening her mouth like that. No, but like you say abantu abanjalo though, you must respect those people. Those people are singers. Those people are saying, and Mhlazane, they decide to like really open up their mouth. They get loud. Those people, yeah, you better respect them. I won. I have a slice.
Yebo uyasiza. Ngempela uyasiza.
such songs. Such songs will make you get into your feelings, bro. Like I ngoma lazy. And the nice part about ngoma final is as in a structure per se. There is no limit to how you can sing it. As long as you saying the lyrics right. Half of the time mina ngiyeswa ayangicambela manje. Hayi even sasomkristu bengivele ngithule acula ingoma esoyithulele nje idlala muva nje. Longibhizi. But now for real. So ingoma inomhlobo Nkosi iyasiza uJesu uyasiza. Whichever one. And they're pretty forward. But the thing is, amanye mate. The thing is, in most cases, in Gome final is you find that people just repeat one line. Yeah, but I remember ngisakhala abangcwele kune Inkosi Sihlangene, for instance. And that song was long. And till to this day, not really a lot of people know the entire thing. In most cases, people just sing that one part and then they repeat it. Ngangibuza ukuthi uthini lokho, angazi. If you ask me to, I don't know. But ingoma ey'fana nalezi yabo ingoma zokuvuselela umoya stuff ukuvuselela imvuselelo. I think but no man there's a word for it, man, and I forgot it. But hey, and you find that there's just this one part about repeater and only to realize what the song is like excessively long, like very long. And another thing, yabona if umuntu oshaya ibhesi ucula ingoma ey'fana nalezi and akazibambanga la, ayikakashaya. So sizothi and people don't do that. It does not slap.
Yebo uyasiza. Ngempela uyasiza.
I did say the songs are emotional. Like really, really, really emotional. I've seen people cry. Like I've seen my dad cry over such songs. I've seen my grandmother cry. I've seen Nala Benkonza Corner. People would like people will cry. I think I'm gonna go together now because of this my reaction that I do in most cases. We focus on my chorus kakulu, and we forget the message and the beauty behind certain songs. I when ingoma efana lazy, you find umzalwane who has went through oh, like a person who has went through the point where they felt like unkulunkulu exists. You see, I can attest to that. The day I tell you guys, the day I tell you guys a thing that I've seen and I've witnessed and I've went through, and throughout all of that, when you felt like God does not exist, bro. And then when you pass those things, undlula kuzo, and then bese kucula ingoma ey'fana nalezi, and then you sit there, you're like, yo God, as in, yeah. And so angithi ukuthi umbona nje uBishop Xaba akhala so I understand. Like I understand i-panic. Yazi panic enhliziyo. Yeah, heartache. Like dude, to a point where you feel like, yo, maybe God is not there. These songs, like when it happens to you, it happens. If it doesn't happen, it's fine. It's going to happen. Either way. And I'm not a watermelon hairstyle.
Oh uyasiza.
impressive. No. Lower Nalea Pisa gave vibrato. I don't like vibrato there. But that was impressive.
Ekuseni sizohlukana. Oh, we are Caesar.
What did I say? What did I say? People get emotional. Shy go back, I jump to the thing he lost some funny he lost. Yes, the boy. Land of a big he lost in the place and that they eat. I was about to get into their feelings. Elmoso coca memes a la pe move on fan. I am Babin Fate. Well, I tell us when in Fate. This is your hof. Ah, me, I don't like this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't like this song because you know what I mean. Sorry for that. As I was saying, like when you go make Anjum Fit, so and if you sing the songs wholeheartedly, ngiloses well. That is possible. Njengoba bengisho ukuthi like I've had a privilege ukuthi ngisonte emabandleni la kunomoya khona my entire life. Ayi angikhumbuli ngiphathe ebandla kuthiwa kunamoya. I'd be lying. Since ngisakhonza ekhanyeni okusha all the way to ikhaya lakangcwele. Every church. So I understand. Masekukhulekwa so it's pretty normal. Especially enkonzeni enomoya kakhulu. Yadlala.
Oh, we are Caesar.
Dukathele mfafu kuhlala phansi ngilosile angithi wena ukho present angithi wena wena uhlala phansi uxola ibhlungu nani abantu bayamusa so ingoma efana nalezi you must respect them. For give me a second, y'all. Yes, guys. Sorry for that. Sorry. I had to attend something. So yeah, man. This type of songs, gotta be careful.
Yeah, we are Caesar. We are Caesar.
Hey, yo, listen, man. Listen. I just keep forgetting the names. Yeah, listen. Yeah, of the songs and everything. But yeah. I want to go final is, hey, you have to respect them. Because man, you don't know what this is umuntu zimbeke style. That's one thing you must understand that you don't know ukuthi lengoma zizothatha umuntu zimbeke kuphi. But wherever la zizombeka khona, umuntu uzokuthola ukubusiseka, ukujabula nasenhlizweni. Well, hopefully they do. Like, hey, man, look. I mean, I've been around to witness this type of things happen. Even if someone who's too spiritually inclined, like you could feel, yeah, kilosu corner, yeah. I understand. Some people it will fly over their head. That's it. Says out in. Says out in. Lot. But yeah, those songs. I'm not a fan, but I respect them. I respect them. So yo, guys, we like the content, man. All you have to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, like the videos, comment down below. Remember, guys, the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. So you do that, and I appreciate you guys' support, man. So khona basawufaka ishift for sure babuye eshiftini bazovele bahlangane nale video later. So yo guys, in a favorite way to Jupiter, adios.